In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview an Adobe Express video. To get started, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project you want to review so you can see your timeline and all of your video elements clearly. This is important because the preview feature lets you check how everything plays together before you make final edits or export your video. Once your project is open, go to the top of your timeline and click the play button. This will start the preview so you can watch your video as it currently appears. Previewing your project is one of the easiest ways to catch small issues early, especially if you want to make sure the overall flow feels smooth and polished. As the video plays, take a close look at the timing, transitions, animations, and audio. Pay attention to whether each scene stays on screen long enough to be understood, whether transitions feel natural, and whether any animations appear too fast or too slow. If your project includes sound, this is also the moment to listen for anything that feels off, like audio that starts too early, ends too late, or doesn't match the visuals well. If you want to focus on a specific part of the video, you can pause the preview at any time or move the playhead to the section you want to check more closely. This is especially helpful when you're reviewing a certain transition, a text animation, or a short clip that may need fine-tuning. Instead of replaying the entire project from the beginning each time, you can jump directly to the area you want to inspect. After reviewing the preview, make any necessary adjustments. This could include changing the timing of a clip, refining an animation, improving the placement of an element, or adjusting audio so everything feels more balanced. The goal here is to use the preview as a checkpoint so you can improve the video before moving on. Once you've made your edits, preview the video again. It's a good idea to repeat this process until you're satisfied with how everything looks and sounds. Watching the project more than once can help you notice details you may have missed the first time. And that's it. That's how to preview an Adobe Express video and review it effectively before finalizing your project.